Hello everyone. Let me explain you workflow of Microsoft Power BI. When I click on Power BI, Power BI has total 4 main panels which you need to focus. When I click on blank report, when I click on get data, more, Excel workbook, connect, I connect with the global superstore database, open. Now, can you see over here? Load and transform is disabled. Load and transform is disabled. Why it is disabled? Because you did not select any of the table. Let me select a table over here. I selected a table. Now, can you see load and transform is enabled? Now, when you want to do the transformation, when your data is not good, you click on transform data. It will bring you to the Power Query editor. It will bring you to the Power Query editor. This is Power Query editor. And this is the place where you can do the transformation. This is Power Query editor, and this is the place where you can do the transformation. Can you see at the top it's written Power Query editor? This is the place where you can convert the bad data to the good data. Now, after the conversion done, click on close and apply. And you are into this panel. And in this panel, there are 3 panels available. So the first panel is Power Query Editor, where you can do the transformation. In this panel, there are 3 panels available. The first is called Report View. The first one is called Report View. This is the panel where you can create the graph, charts, reports, or dashboard. This is also called Power View. Then we have these 2 panels available. The second one is called Table View. When you click on Table, this is the where you can see the data. That is why it is called Table View. And the third one is called Model View. This is the place where you can see the table structure. Can you see the table structure? How the table look like? So Table View and Model View together known as Power Pivot. Model View and Table View together known as Power Pivot. So Table View and Model View together known as Power Pivot. And Report View is known as Power View. Report View is known as Power View. Report View is the place where you can create the graph, charts, reports, or dashboard. So when you click on the Report View, you go to the order table. I select category, discount, and you have your graph ready. That is why it is called Report View. So there are 4 panels. Power Query Editor for transformation. Report View for graph creation. Table View where you can see the data. Model View where you can see the table structure. Report View is also known as Power View. Table View and Model View is known as Power Pivot. This is the workflow of Microsoft Power BI. Thank you.